Now what if the time provided is not in years, it has some fraction of year. Now like time here is 2 years and 4 months. How do we calculate the compound interest then? I will explain to you through this question only. This says find the compound interest on rupees 1200 at the rate of 10% per annum. Per annum means per year, for a period of 2 years and 4 months. How do we do this now? We have compound interest for first year is equal to P into R into T over 100. That is equal to, what is the principal? It's 1200 rupees into R, that is 10% upon into 1 upon 100. This comes out to be equal to rupees 120. So interest after first year is rupees 120. Now the amount after first year will be principal plus the interest. That comes out to be amount after first year is equal to 1200 plus 120 is equal to 1320 rupees. So this is rupees 1320. Now this is also the principal for the second year. So this is also the P for second year. Now we take the interest for second year is equal to, we take the principal 1320 into 10 into 1 upon 100. This comes out to be equal to rupees 132. Now the interest for the second year is 132 rupees. Now this, what would be the amount after second year? That would be amount after second year would be equal to, this was the principal for second year and this is the interest. So we have 1320 plus 132, that comes out to be rupees 1452. So rupees 1452 is the amount after second year. Now this is also the principal for the third year. P for the third year. Now if this is the principal for the third year, we have the interest. Now the time remaining is less than 1 year, right? So where we put time, how would we find out time? So the time remaining is equal to, so the time remaining is equal to 4 months. That is 4 upon 12 years, we could say, or we can also say this, it is 1 by 3 years. Now we have to calculate the interest for 1 upon 3 years. So where we, in the formula where we have to put time, we will put 1 by 3. So if we have to calculate the interest for the remaining 4 months, this is the interest for the remaining 4 months is equal to, what is the principal? We have 1452 into rate, that is 10, into 1 by 3 upon 100. Now this interest comes out to be equal to 48 rupees and 40 paise. So this is rupees 48 and 40 paise. So this is the interest for the 4 months that are remaining. So the total interest, what is the total interest? So the total compound interest is equal to rupees 120 plus rupees 132 plus rupees 48.40. So this is 120 plus 132 plus 48.40. This comes out to be equal to rupees 300.40. Now if we round this off, this will approximately be equal to rupees 300. Now this is the basic concept of finding out the compound interest if the amount of the time provided is in fractions of years.